So sometimes when you're working with Roboflow Rapid, you may want to detect certain objects that the model has no idea what it is. So in this case, I'm looking for a robot joint and it says no object found, delete or try another word. So to allow the model to figure out how to detect a completely new object, what you want to do is give it some guidance. So come down here to want to draw boxes, click on that. Click on switch to editing mode. So this lets you label them. So here I'm going to label this as robot joint. And then I'm going to go ahead and press enter. So this gave it one data point. We could just see how it works for one data point here. So I'm going to run an entire video and see how it performs. So you can see all of this is running in real time. There's some parts that it's detecting that's not robot joints, but you can see the majority, it got the robot joints. I could adjust the sensitivity here to less to see how it performs. And you can see that did the trick. So all of this took only a couple of seconds to get this model working. Okay, so here I gave it one more example. I told it to find a gripper. And again, it says no object found, delete or try another word. So we're gonna do the same process where we're going to give it some guidance. So I'm going to label this one here to be the gripper. And go ahead, press enter, and then I'll give it one more here. Again, hit enter, then we could run our entire video. So let's see if just 2 images is enough to give it enough information. And again, you can see there's parts that it's detecting that's not a gripper, so we could repeat the process where we lower the sensitivity a little bit. And here we go, we see we're able to detect the gripper. So it's moving really fast, so I think that's why in some situations, you could see it flashing, but for the most part, you could probably apply a filter and you should be good to go. Once you're ready to deploy your model, come down here, click on Publish and Use Model. Then you can come over here and choose the language you want to use, do your pip install, and then here's your code once you sign in.